Hello guys, I want to show you how to make multi-purpose chain clamp. What you need is only the old chain from motorcycle. You need one bolt 10 mm size. You need one turning buckle. You just weld at the end of one of this chain like this. Just weld that one. That's what I do. And one piece of C-channel I make hole. Then you need to, if you cut a big cylinder, you just only clamp from this side, lock it, use the chain to lock. Lock. Then the turning buckle, put like this, and here turn. Now you're here, you see, so totally secured. You can cut now by use of grinder. You can cut this old cylinder, rayon cylinder. It's very easy. It's already secured. See, it's not moving. See, and this chain you can use multi-purpose. I have a project from here. I remove one 4 piece of that part of the chain. I make weld acetylene. You see, I make hinges. You can use also a stopper. I make also a stopper from here. Yes. This is my project. Grills for multi-purpose grills. See, I make a lock. Then I put from this top of this gas range. See, very simple. You can make your own grills, DIY grills. See, you see this chain.